Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a swirled bloom. So it's a bloom and I'm going to swirl it in circles. We'll see how it comes out. I've got some pretty blue, turquoise and green and lots of gold. So let's get some pillow paint down. And my pillow paint is Glidden Premium. I still have it in my big can. I just got a new can, so usually I transfer it into another container, but I haven't done that yet. So that's consistency. It's pretty nice. That's good. Okay. This is a 6x6 tile. All right, so I've got this pretty green is a Artist Loft leaf green mixed with some Arteza mint green. This is the Arteza mint green. It's a pearl color. I'm also going to use this by itself. So I think I'll put this one down first. Oh, something in there. All right. Okay. All right, and I've got two golds, two greens, and two turquoises. I have Blue Green by Amsterdam Blue Green. That's a darker color, so I'm gonna it's almost running out of this one. Well, maybe I'll just take the lid off. That's thickened up. There, I don't think I'm going to use this anymore. I'm going to make up a new one. Okay, so now I put some gold. So I've got PBO iridescent gold. It's a pretty lighter gold. So this, usually put gold on top, but I think today I'll put gold on top and see how it turns out. So this one is Arteza Mint Green Pearl. It's a pearl color. It's very pretty. No, I'm not going to put the gold on top. I'm going to put the next turquoise. So this one is gold. This is 24 karat gold. It's one of my favorites. It's very shiny. I wanted to try two different golds. And I have this one is Aquamarine by DecoArt. I think there's a bit of PBO blue green in here too. A lot of paint on here. I'm going to blow it with my mini blower. Got my Australian Floetrol and Oxide Black. Give it a good shake. Whoopsie. Ooh, I'm gonna do this. Wow, it's pretty. Oh, I love that color combination. Ooh. I'll just let it relax a little bit more so the middle fills in. All right. Let's give her a spin. Well, there was a lot of paint on there. Look at it all coming off. And I just want to make sure that it's not moving in the middle, and then I can stop. Yeah, I think it's good. I'm going to stop. There you go. I hope you like this one. Nice effects. I'm going to do a couple of coasters. Anyway, thanks for watching, and the dry result will be at the end of the video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and give me a thumbs up if you like this. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when I do a new video. Bye-bye. Hi everybody. Here's my dried tile. Look how gorgeous that is. I love that gold in there, and the green and the blue turquoise. Wow. It's one of my favorite color combinations. Dried really good. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.